Pycnosorus globosus, commonly known as billy buttons, is a native Australian plant that belongs to the Asteraceae family. The plant is a perennial herb that produces bright yellow, spherical flowers on long stems. Billy buttons are popular in gardens, particularly in Australia, due to their attractive appearance and low maintenance requirements. In this video, we will provide a complete guide on how to grow and care for Pycnosorus globosus. Growing Pycnosorus globosus. The first step in growing billy buttons is to obtain a suitable location. The plant prefers full sunlight but can tolerate partial shade. It also requires well-draining soil that is not too rich in nutrients. The plant is tolerant of a range of soil types, including sandy and rocky soils, but it does not grow well in waterlogged soil. Propagation of billy buttons can be done from seed or by division of established plants. Seeds can be sown in spring or autumn in well-prepared soil. The seeds should be sown to a depth of 3 to 5 mm and spaced 30 to 40 cm apart. Germination typically occurs within 2 to 3 weeks, and the plants will flower in their second year. Established plants can be divided in early spring or autumn. The plant should be dug up, and the roots carefully separated before replanting in well-prepared soil. This method is particularly useful for propagating large clumps of billy buttons. Caring for Pycnosorus globosus. Pycnosorus globosus is a low-maintenance plant that requires minimal care once established. The following tips will help ensure your billy buttons thrive. Watering. Billy buttons are drought-tolerant and require minimal watering. The plant can survive extended periods of dry weather, but regular watering will help ensure healthy growth and flowering. Fertilizing. Billy buttons do not require fertilization, and excessive nutrient levels can be detrimental to the plant's growth. If soil nutrient levels are low, a light application of a balanced fertilizer in spring can be beneficial. Pruning. Billy buttons do not require regular pruning, but deadheading spent flowers can help prolong the flowering period. The plant should be pruned back to ground level in autumn to encourage healthy growth the following season. Pests and diseases. Billy buttons are relatively pest and disease-free, but they can be susceptible to root rot in waterlogged soil. Aphids and spider mites can also infest the plant, but these pests can usually be controlled by spraying the plant with a jet of water. Conclusion. Pycnosorus globosus, or billy buttons, is a popular native Australian plant that is easy to grow and maintain. The plant produces bright yellow, spherical flowers on long stems that make an attractive addition to any garden. The plant requires full sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering, and it is relatively pest and disease-free. With minimal care, billy buttons will thrive in your garden and provide a beautiful display of flowers year after year.